Hear your thoughts on North Korea and Iran. We spent 45 minutes with Joseph Cirincione earlier of the Carnegie Endowment about nuclear proliferation, and he called North Korea the most dangerous problem in the world today on this issue. You say the answer is true, that they are targeting North Korea and Iran next, but explain why and how.
Well, when you look around the world, clearly the biggest dangers we face are weapons of mass destruction in the hands of terrorist groups. And you have to ask yourself, which states are likely to give nuclear weapons to terrorist groups? Two of the top that would have to be near the list would be North Korea and Iran. Pakistan would be another one. We can talk about that as a somewhat separate case. But you have to look at Iran especially and North Korea. And the question is, what do you do about it? Obviously, everybody's worried about it. A lot of people hope that we can reach treaties with them that will have them give up their nuclear arsenals and submit to international inspections, and therefore everything will be fine. Now, unfortunately, we've already tried that path in North Korea with the 1994 agreed framework, which Pyongyang completely violated. So I think we can have very little confidence that North Korea in particular would abide by any international treaty it would sign. The question, therefore, becomes, well, what do you do about it? I think that the best answer, both from a moral as well as a pragmatic standpoint, is to try to aid the people of North Korea and the people of Iran in seeking their freedom. Both of those nations are horribly oppressed by evil rulers in Tehran and Pyongyang. They want to be free. America can help them by putting pressure on their regime, short of actual military action, in order to help liberate those countries. And once we have a change of regimes, we won't be worried about whether those countries have nuclear weapons or not. Nobody worries about the fact that India has nuclear weapons, or France, or Britain, or other countries that are democracies. The only real worry comes from when dictatorships have nuclear weapons, because they're not accountable to their people. You don't know what they're going to do with them. They're often in league with terrorists, as Tehran and Pyongyang both have been. Therefore, I think our emphasis should be not so much on the weapons of mass destruction, which is only a symptom. We should be going after the root cause of the problem, which is the nature of the regimes that we face in Iran and North Korea.